Excel. So my own assignment or my own classwork, you will help me to use if statement to determine, use if statement to determine the eligibility of a citizen in Nigeria. Use if statement to determine the eligibility of a citizen in Nigeria. So this question is critical but it's easy also. What you will do here is that you first look for the eligibility age of Nigeria, and the eligibility age of Nigeria is 18 years. So anybody that is 18 years can vote. Then you use then you have your colon. How many colon am I expecting here? You create a colon for name, you create a colon for age, and create a colon for eligibility. So in the name, you can just provide like 9 names or 5 names. Then you give them random age. So it can be Ada age 10, Ojo age 15. Then after you have given them the random age, then you use your if statement in your eligibility column to calculate their eligibility status, whether they can vote or not. So this particular statement, I'm expecting you to write if the age of Ojo is less than the eligibility age of 14 in Nigeria, that is 18. If it's less than 18, then what do you want it to show? To show not eligible to vote. But if it is more than that 18, it will now display eligible to vote. I want to wish you all the best. So this is the 2 projects we are going to take under function.